It's making me look bad. See. Right, let's see. There's a bird I shot somewhere here. Need to get it. I need to get it. If I shoot 3, I'm going home. Oh, there's somewhere there. There's birds. It's flies. Somewhere here. It fell somewhere here. Oh, there it is. Oh man, my hand won't fit here. Oh, it fits. Okay, I'm holding the legs now at least. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here briefly. Let me go get some others. Let me see. Shoo! That was so close. Okay. Where else? Here's one more on the power line. Let's try and take it out. Humanely headshot. These ones here, they let you get close because there's a lot of people around here. Headshot. Oop. Humanely headshot only. Let's see. Definitely a headshot. You look here. Pop the eye out. It went through the eyes. I don't know. But this is as humanely as you can dispatch them. And I'm heading home. I'm seeing a big guinea fowl somewhere there. But a guinea fowl won't let you get close. You need to take a long range shot. Hit the head. Okay, that was completely out. Try this one. I missed the neck so close. Okay, let's try one last time. Okay, disappeared on me. Oh, here's one. Headshot. One more headshot. And I'm done. So, this is the thing. When you're aiming for the head, you increase your chances of missing a lot more. If you're hitting the body, the target is big. You can break a wing and then follow up. But right now, this is science for me, and I focus more on accuracy than hitting it for the sake of hitting it. So I want headshots. That's all I want. So there's one up there. Let's get a headshot. That was so close. That was so close. Guys, head is so small. It's so easy to miss. So, oh, it's way difficult to hit the head. Okay, difficult. Actually, I've got 2 bets. Let me go. I'm sure I'm gonna get one more on the road. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And if you are excited about this, hit that bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload. Bye. I'm not gonna try go for the head. Should I? Actually, let me just go for the head. Go for the head. Flip! That was so close. This shot was so cool. I missed the bed and shot where it was standing. So I did get 3 beds, but the last one was not recorded properly.